Hey guys, welcome to the Auburndale Public Library. We're here today to show you our Squishy Circuit Steam Box that is available to check out. Squishy circuits use conductive and insulating dough to create electrical circuits. Before we begin, let's remember why it's worthwhile to create an electrical circuit. An electrical circuit allows us to harness electricity to power something. Whatever that something is, whatever is using up that electricity, that is called a load. Whether it's a light, a speaker, a computer, or a washing machine, each of these objects are using their load to harness electricity to accomplish something. Today, our load will be this LED light. Let's first focus on creating the electrical circuit, and for that, we will start with play-doh because it is conductive, meaning electricity can flow freely through it. That's fine on its own, but to take advantage of it, we need our load, the LED. Connect this one to here. Since it conducts electricity, why don't we plug in an LED to use some of the squishy circuit's power? So, plug this in here, and this in here. And there we have it. The electricity has found its way to our load because the play-doh is conductive. As you can see, we have our play-doh split up between two sides. But what would happen if we just use one solid piece of play-doh? Here we go. The LED isn't working, but why? What's happened is we've created a short circuit, which is a malfunction in the circuit which causes our load to lack the necessary power to be effective. The electricity is still flowing, but our LED isn't getting the power. So where is our electricity? The problem here is the electricity is taking the path of least resistance. It wants to get back to the power source as fast as possible. It's easier for electricity to flow through the play-doh than for it to flow through our LED because the play-doh is more conductive than the LED. So it will always go the path of play-doh over the LED when available. So creating a circuit's all about making it convenient for electricity to go the path of a load so we can harness the electricity to power something. Well, if we want to power our LED, we need to make sure the two sets of play-doh aren't touching each other. But that takes away a lot of our options as far as creating something fun with play-doh. But wait. This may look like play-doh, but it's actually modeling clay. It may look and feel similar, and we can build sculptures out of it like play-doh, but it has an important difference that we are going to take advantage of. Oh no, the LED isn't working. That's because modeling clay is acting as an insulator, meaning it's not conductive. Well, since it's an insulator, that might make us think that it won't be very useful to us. However, it can really benefit us to stop electricity from getting places too. For instance, if we put some modeling clay between the two pieces of play-doh, nope, gotta be on the red. see. The power is flowing again. So by combining the conductor and the insulator, we're able to make a more complex structure, such as this, or this, or this. To learn how, check out the box. So, next time you're at the Auburndale Public Library, don't forget to check out one of our STEAM boxes. We look forward to seeing you. Have a great day.